Hi, I'm Aswad. Today, let's decode Indian credit scores and learn how to fix yours fast. Whether you're new to credit or want to boost your score quickly, this guide is for you. Here's your simple checklist for a great credit score. Always pay bills on time, set up auto pay for EMIs and credit cards. Keep your credit utilization below 30%, don't max out your cards. Avoid applying for too much credit at once, space out applications. Maintain a healthy mix of credit, secured and unsecured. Don't take loans you don't need. Check your credit report twice a year for errors or fraud. Dispute any mistakes immediately. Don't close old credit card accounts, long history helps your score. Be patient, building a good score takes time. Review this checklist regularly, stay disciplined, and lenders will trust you. You're in control, make your credit score work for you. I learned about credit scores the hard way. My loan application was rejected due to late payments and high card balances. That wake-up call pushed me to download my credit report and face the facts. I set up automatic payments for all my bills to avoid missing due dates. I started paying my credit card balance in full every month. To lower my credit utilization, I paid down my cards aggressively and asked for a higher credit limit. These changes didn't fix my score overnight, but after 6 months of discipline, I saw real improvement. The key? Consistency. You can do the same, set up auto pay, pay more than the minimum, and keep your balances low. Check your score every few months to track progress. Small, steady actions make a big difference. Your score reflects your habits, not your worth. Change your habits, and your score will follow. Start today, your future self will thank you. Ready to check your score? It's simple and free. RBI requires credit bureaus to give you one free report a year. Visit CIBIL, Experian, Equifax, or CRIF Highmark online. Fintech apps like Paytm and Cred also offer free checks. Just sign up, enter your details, and verify your identity. Download your full report, not just the score. Review all your accounts and payment history for errors. Mistakes like closed loans showing as active can hurt your score, dispute them right away. Why might your score be low? Late payments are the top culprit, even a day late counts. High credit utilization is another red flag. Using most of your credit limit signals risk. Lenders prefer you use less than 30% of your available credit. Check your report, fix errors, and watch your habits. Knowing your score is the first step to improving it. You might think, I'm young, why worry about a credit score? But your 20s and 30s are when you build your financial foundation. A good credit score opens door, better loan rates, premium credit cards, even rental approvals. A bad score? It can block opportunities when you need them most. Want a car or a scooter? Your interest rate depends on your score. Lenders compete for people with great scores, giving you bargaining power. You can negotiate better terms and get faster approvals. It's not just about loans. Some employers and landlords check your score too. Building a good score now is free and pays off for years. Neglect it and you'll struggle to fix it later. Good habits today mean financial freedom tomorrow. Start caring now, your future self will thank you. Ever heard of a secret number that shapes your financial life? That's your credit score. In India, it's often called your CIBIL score, a 3-digit number between 300 and 900. Think of it as your financial report card, showing how well you handle borrowed money. Lenders use it to decide if you're trustworthy with loans or credit cards. A score above 750? Excellent. Below that, lenders get cautious. This number isn't random. It's calculated by credit bureaus like CIBIL, Experian, Equifax, and CRIF Highmark. They look at your payment history, credit usage, and the types of credit you've used. Your score changes with your actions, missed payments, or maxed out cards can drag it down. But you control the story. Every financial decision you make shapes your score. It's not permanent. You can improve it with good habits. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Ready to learn how to make it shine? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more personal finance tips. Share your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, here's a quick recap. Check your credit report regularly, pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and don't apply for too much credit at once. Remember, building a great credit score is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay positive, and your financial future will thank you. If you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. I am Aswad and I am rooting for your success.